Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Tinder Gold completely for free for 12 months. I've already claimed my free Tinder Gold using this exact process, and now I'm here to guide you through every step so you can do it too. All you need is your phone. Make sure to watch the entire video carefully. Missing even one small step could prevent this method from working. So grab your device and let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open our browser regardless of which one we have. In my case, it's Safari, and go to the website snazzycoupons.dat.com. It's a verified and safe site with various coupons and codes. We search free gold, and when we succeed, we click on this. Various information appears to us, such as a description and user reviews. We see our code, which is still locked. To unlock the code, we click on Show Coupon Code. Then wait a second until the server loads the code for us and click Get Full Code. Before we unlock full code, we will be taken to the user verification page. This is a process we must perform to confirm that we are not a bot. But don't be afraid, this is a very fast and safe process. On the page it says that we have to complete 2 to 3 free apps of offers of below to unlock our code. These are apps from the App Store or Google Play depending on our system, where we have to download the app or complete any level. Under each offer we have a detailed description of what we are to do. I have checked this before and everything is safe and works very well. If you have trouble doing this, on the page above is a tutorial in which it is shown exactly how to do it. Once we have done the verification, we go back to the page, and as you can see, our coupon is ready and we will be shown our unlocked code. We then copy and paste in the designated place. Thanks for sticking around until the end of the video. If you found this guide useful and everything worked for you, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or encounter any problems, drop a comment below and I'll gladly assist you. Thanks again, and take care.